my wonderful people, my friends and fun. Greetings from FamilyChef to you. Year 2000, I was in Italy, stayed a couple of years, 4 or 5 years, and I learned how to cook a lot of stuff. So I'm going to share Italian food called lasagna to you. So let's quick, let me go ahead and show you the ingredients. I have my lasagna sheet here. I have my mozzarella cheese, 1 egg, black pepper. I have my garlic, of course, onions. I have Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning have oregano. You need oregano, of course, when you are cooking your lasagna. And I have ricotta cheese, okay? I have my tomatoes. People buy already made tomatoes, but I buy it from can. I make my own tomatoes. This is plum tomatoes. And I have my rosemary, of course. And you can go without meat. We have ground meat, okay? And I have my basil, of course. You buy a basil, put it on the water if you want to use it for longer time. So I'm going to cut my onions and start the process of the sauce, okay? 2 cloves of garlic. Now we are going to start brown our beef, okay? Here's the ground beef here. It's about 4 pounds. I'm going to use only 2 pounds. If you look at here, I have 2 different kinds of onion. This is going to the sauce, the tomato sauce, right? This I cut it in small pieces. I'm putting it here. Onions go here with the beef. You can tell our beef is almost all brown. I put onion and salt. Let me put 1 teaspoon of garlic too. I'm going to transfer this beef to this pan. We are going to cook our lasagna noodles, okay? Let's pour water here. A little bit of sea salt. Put this water in the fire. I have 2 cans of lasagna sheet, okay? You can use whatever you like. This is whole wheat lasagna sheet. If you like it healthy, use this. This tastes good. You can use any. So I'm going to use this. It's a party lasagna, so I'll make it in the lot. Alright? You can tell that the lasagna is boiling. While we are waiting for lasagna to boil, I'm grating my cheese. If you don't have the grater, you can use knife to cut it in small pieces. We're done. This is all the lasagna cheese that I grate. Okay, let's put it aside. I have this one here. Extra cheddar cheese, extra sharp. I like the sharpness of the cheese. You don't have to use it. It's optional. I have ricotta cheese. Okay, we have 2 or 3 different kinds of lasagna. Some lasagna you can use bechamel sauce, but I'm not using bechamel sauce today. I'm using ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese, we need about ½ cup. I have 1 egg here. The reason why I put the egg in, the egg will hold the ricotta cheese. If you don't put the egg, it will be so soupy. We finished all the cheeses problems, okay? 3 cheeses. It's a party lasagna. I'm making a lot. You can tell that the lasagna is boiling. I think it's done. I drain my lasagna sheet. You can see the pasta sheet is cooked well, right? I'm going to leave it here to let it cool down so I can handle it and lay. It's party lasagna, so I'm making it a lot, alright? So let's wait until it cools off. I'm grabbing my olive oil. We are going to start our sauce. We have our onions here. I'm going to let this onion brown 6 to 8 minutes, okay? Got my garlic is here, about 2 cloves of garlic. You can put the garlic and onion together. Garlic tends to be burnt so fast. Garlic is brown, so I'm going to add my canned tomatoes in. Okay, now let's put our spicy in. I have fresh ground black pepper. I have dry rosemary. I have Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning have oregano. And I have my basil here. We are going to let this cook for 30 minutes. Now you can tell the tomato sauce is done. Do you remember our ground beef? So let's see how we are going to put this sauce and the spaghetti noodles together. Guys, now it's time to build our lasagna. Okay, we are going to go layer by layer. Oh, do you remember the sauce we made? Okay, and the ricotta cheese is here, and the cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. This cheese represents the bechamel sauce. If you want to use bechamel sauce, you don't have to use this cheese. Because I'm not using bechamel sauce, I'm using ricotta cheese. All right, so let's build our lasagna layer by layer. First goes with the sauce. Then you grab your lasagna sheet. Don't put the lasagna sheet first because you're gonna burn it. Put the tomato sauce first, all right, before you put the lasagna. Make sure you lay it all over. Then your cheese go on top of it. I like the color and the sharpness of the cheddar cheese. Then goes with the ricotta cheese. Let's do the spread like bechamel sauce. All right, that's about it. Then tomatoes goes. I'm going to do the second layer like I did it before. This is my last layer. Okay, the tomato sauce is almost gone too. You repeat it like the beginning, layer by layer. This is 3 layers. A little bit of oregano go in here. We are all done. Now we are going to turn the oven 350 degrees. This lasagna will go in the oven for 45 minutes. If your oven comes from the top, cover it so the cheese won't get burned for 45 minutes. Okay. Now the lasagna is going in the oven for 45 minutes. Well, I'm not going to cut the food here. Meet me at the party. Then the